Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude, our thankfulness to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for allowing us to continue our ibadah in the month of Ramadan. May Allah bless all of us, Ramadan Kareem. And for this day 3 of Ramadan, and I would like to talk about decision making in the management discipline. Managers have to make decision, whether managers make decision in the most certain or in uncertainty or in any situation. Managers have to make decisions. Okay, the rationality approach, when managers have all the information available, and when managers have some information, managers make decision with the bounded rationality. But when managers do not have any information at all, and managers will apply intuition, which is based on the gut feelings, and this gut feeling is not just an empty gut feelings, but rather based on the subconscious mind, based on experience, based on conversation with others. And for us as Muslim, we have the power of intuition, which is we can have conversation with Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. And Ramadan is actually the journey, the spiritual journey for us to have more closer, more conversation with Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Our conversation through our dua, through our salat, through our recitation of the Quran, and we spend every second and minute to have conversation or dua with Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So when we are in the dark, when we in uncertainty, Allah is the most powerful. Allah has the guidance for us. We have to ask the guidance from Allah, as we recite in Al-Fatiha, Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Yeah, we have to ask, and Allah instructed us to ask from Allah the guidance. And this Ramadan is a spiritual journey to ask guidance, to ask the taqwa from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Through our a lot of activities in Ramadan is of the individual, personalized. The recitation of the Quran, the dua, the reflections, and the sadaqah that to be done in a very secretive and a quiet manner. And we are encouraged to make a lot of dua during our sahur, during our iftar, and to recite the Quran. So brothers and sisters, this is the spiritual journey for managers to strengthen the intuition part. Even though we have knowledge about maqasid al-sharia, that is a knowledge, but a part of knowledge we need the hikmah or wisdom, that in the form of guidance from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. May Allah bless all of us, because all of us are managers, because we are Khalifa. Allah created us to be viceroy, Allah created us to be servants of Allah, and we have to make decision. And our decision must be in line with what Allah has created us, which is to worship Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. May Allah bless all of us. Ramadan Kareem. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.